Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today in this video we will see how to increase or decrease the font in the editor as well as in the console. So as you can see there is a class which I have created over here. I'll go over here and just right click it, click on preferences, go to preferences, and preferences go to color and fonts. As you can see there's Java edited text font. It is highlighted. It's represent the text font and you just have to click on edit and preferences, edit option, and here you can increase or decrease as per your wants how much text size you need to increase or decrease. Suppose I decrease, it will appear as is a sample, it's showing on the template. So for demo purpose I will just select 20. Let's see how if the changes are applicable or not. Click on OK. I will click on apply and close. See, now it's can you see in the screen that the font has increased, but as you see it appears too huge. What you will do, just select and again right click, click on text colors and fonts, edit, and we reduce it to 2D. Click on OK, apply now. Yeah, now it can be pretty decent to see. Now these was about the editor font that we can use during creation of the classes in the Java programming. So now what if I want to change the text in the console as well? So if I write something over here, save it. Let's see if we run and see the same font on the console as well. Yeah, it can be same on the console as well. So it's applicable even in the console uh, and also in the editor. So this video was all about the editing and the system and console based font in Spring Tool Suite. More videos to coming for you surely. Stay tuned, subscribe and liking. Bye for now.